Let's make the class funnier. I take a phone and start talking. Take a notebook with a hard cover and cut out a piece that is of the same size as your phone. Make the edges round. Mix silver and black acrylic paint. And paint the cover and sides of the notebook. Print a phone screen on self-adhesive paper and attach it to the notebook. Paint a round button on the bottom. Paint voice buttons at the side. The teacher sees that I talk on my phone. This is awful, but I hurry to calm Miss Smith down. It's just a notebook. I take my notes in it. Miss Smith calms down at once. Taking notes in the class is the right choice. A musical break in a class. I take out a loudspeaker, but Miss Smith has other plans. She has prepared a musical case. We will need felt, tulle, and a foam rubber sheet. Draw a geometric pattern with cells like the one a loudspeaker has on a foam rubber sheet. Cut the cells out and put it onto tulle. Take 2 pieces of felt and cut out 2 ovals with allowances for bending. Attach the foam rubber sheet buttons to it. Make signs with a pen. Score the lines of the buttons using a knife. Make cuts along the bending line. Attach the foam rubber sheet to tulle and felt with double-sided tape. Hot glue oval details to the inside borders. Fold it and hot glue the case. Hot glue a zipper to the top. The teacher changes the loudspeaker for a regular pencil case with a slight dance move. Who is she trying to deceive? There is no music inside this loudspeaker. There are only pens and pencils. On the other hand, it hits the spot. Miss Smith's private dance party is canceled. I left my e-reader at home, and my friend doesn't want to share with me at all. This is so unfair. It's great that Miss Smith is on my side. She sees that I've got a problem and gives me her own e-reader. Paint a metallic box with colored pencils using sparkling acrylic paint. Print a page of an e-reader and attach it to the box with double-sided tape. Draw an inscription on the reader and a central button using a pencil. Paint the button with silver paint and the letters with a black pen. Hot glue 2 matte decorative circles to the sides of the button. Draw details on the central button. Why is Miss Smith so generous today? The e-reader looks like a real one, but it doesn't turn the pages over. It starts making noises from inside instead. Maybe those are the characters of the book who want to break free. Or it's just a box of colored pencils. I totally fell for Miss Smith's prank. At last, my friend decides to share her e-reader with me to make me a bit happier. Let's see what Miss Smith will say if I take out a joystick, right in class. Take a broken joystick apart. Take the electronic device and a processor out. Make a hole in the plastic cover. Attach plastic buttons with hot glue. Close the cap and attach an aerial wire. Fill the joystick with paper clips and cover it with the second half. I pretend that I am deep into my game on my phone. My fingers just cling into the joystick. At last, Miss Smith figures out that I've got a joystick in the class. She threatens to kick me out of the classroom. What did I do, Miss Smith? My joystick is just a paperclip container. It is handy for studying. The teacher is amazed when she sees this unusual way of storing school supplies. School policy doesn't forbid us from bringing paper clips to school. Art class! We take paints out. And what does my friend have? A tablet? Excellent! I just wanted to surf Instagram and use all the artistic filters. But the tablet is broken. The sensor doesn't work. Sure! Because this tablet is made out of a sketch pad. Cover a sketch pad with black matte paint. Do not forget about the sides. Print a screenshot of a tablet on self-adhesive paper of an appropriate size. Attach it to the sketch pad. Draw a camera and a microphone with a silver pen. You can use any paint you want in this tablet, and it doesn't need to be charged. Did you like our school supplies ideas? Then write in your comments which gadget you will bring to school. A notebook that looks like a phone, or a sketch pad that looks like a tablet, or a sharpener that looks like a phone charger. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new ideas on the Troom Troom channel.